Alright, so welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a mini player from your YouTube video. Now, one thing is that if you are watching YouTube video and then you load any video, probably you can't check another video or you can browse through other videos whilst you are playing the current video. So with the help of the YouTube mini player, whilst you are playing a current video, you can also go through or browse through other videos. So to create a mini player of your YouTube video, this is what you do. So if you open the current video that you want to create the player, so you simply right click on it, and now when you right click, you choose mini player. So the mini player will create a small window just beneath your main YouTube window. So this is the mini player, and one thing is that you can move it anywhere. So as you drag it, you can see it's working here. So while this video is playing, you can scroll down to other videos as well, or maybe you want to browse through various videos, you can do that. So if I tap on this video, currently because I've created a mini player, it will be launched in the mini player. So this can help you to navigate to any location that you have. This can help you to navigate to any location that you are. On the YouTube, you can browse anywhere. I can even click on anything, like maybe to view short, and you will see my video is still playing whilst I'm also watching a short video. So that's how you can use the mini player. To access or play videos as you browse through other areas on YouTube. So let me know if this video has been very helpful. Please give it a thumb up, and then also don't forget to share this video. If today happens to be your first time, please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.